how to file taxes on Turbotax. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, before getting your account on Turbotax, you need to make sure that you have some documents with you, like the social security number, the government issued ID like your driver's license and W2 or 1099 form, and also information regarding your interest earned on investments. Also, you would be requiring documents related to medical bills and receipts and mortgage interest and property taxes. If in case you have incurred education expenses, then you would be requiring documents for it as well. And in case if you have any small business expense, then you can get the document for it as well. You would also be requiring the retirement contribution documents, and if in case you have donated some funds, then you would be requiring charitable donations receipts. And after getting all these documents, then it would be better for you to set up your account. And for setting up your account, just simply open up the Turbotax official website, click on this option of sign up, and after providing your email address, your name and your phone number, you would be able to set up your account. You would be getting a code on your phone number after you give out your phone number on Turbotax. Then just use that particular code in order to verify your details, and you would be able to get into the Turbotax account. And after getting into the account, you would be requiring some steps in order to give out your information, and it would be necessary to file your tax. Basically, Turbotax is trying to assess your taxability and the filing status. So they would be asking about your date of birth, your zip code where you are staying, your name, your marital status, and also information regarding your previous financial status. And after you give out all these details, they will be able to give out you a plan how you can file your taxes. And the price of their plans to file the taxes will differ according to your taxability. So if in case you are filing for your business, then you would be requiring to pay higher fees as compared to personal taxation. So this way, just choose your plans accordingly. And after that, you just have to follow the procedure provided by Turbotax. They would be guiding you step by step in order to fill your tax details and get the best out of it. And after providing all the details, you would be requiring to enter the federal tax information. In that section, you would be requiring to upload documents related to federal tax, and you can also choose to write that particular document if you want to do it manually. And after that, in the next step, you would be requiring to enter your state tax information. The good thing is that you won't be requiring much information for this step, as this section will retrieve all the information that was provided by you in the federal taxation information. So it would be doing most of the things automatically, but after a few clicks by you would be able to do it. Then at the end, you would be requiring to choose your refund method. There are different options available to you for your refund, like your direct deposit, prepaid debit card, paper check via email. You can also get tax credit for the next tax filing. So basically, all the additional tax that you file or all the refunds will be adjusted with your next year's tax. And you can also choose your refunds to go towards US savings bonds. This way, you would be investing in US bonds using your refunds. And after selecting your refund method, you would be just requiring to review your information and file the tax. And that's how you would be able to file the tax on Turbotax. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.